inyong lahat at nagpapasalamat rin po kami na inimbitahan po kami rito para sumuporta po ngayon sa Little Miss Panagbanga. Ngayon, nalitinan ko lahat ng mga kids, sobrang hangang-hanga ako sa inyo. Not only is this month Women's Month as well, but talagang pinagdiriwang natin lahat ng tao at lahat ng mga bata na sumali sa Little Miss Panagbanga. So, minention nga po kanina na bilang support na rin po sa mga bata na nagiging representation rin po talaga ng kabataan ngayon, no? Mula po sa sir, bibigyan po namin kayo ng munting premyo po, no? Para sa mga naghihirap rin dito sa mga bata. Kasi alam namin na hindi lang po yung mga bata yung naghirap para sa pageant na to, no? Alam namin na behind all of these kids are hardworking families or moms and dads who really supported their children. So, palakpakan po natin lahat ng mga pamilya na sumusuporta po sa mga bata na to. Kasi kung wala po kayo, wala rin po sila. So again, without further ado, ang Little Miss Flowerful galing sa SERV ay ang candidate number 8!
Congratulations, candidate number 8! Once again, you will be receiving 20,000 pesos! One case of Surf Falcon and a bag of Surf Liquids and 8.5 kilograms of algae washer! Alright, once again, congratulations to the winners, to the winner of Little Miss Flowerful. Alright. Congratulations, and Ma'am Iana, maraming salamat. To all your support and love for Little Miss Panagbanga, and to all the kiddos present here, vying for the title of Little Miss Panagbanga 2026. Palakpakan po natin ang Surf! Everyone! How about our judges? Thank you so much. Alright. Now for everyone's information, each of our candidates will be receiving their own title. So ibig sabihin, wala pong talo ngayong gabi. Alright. Now let's receive the major awards this evening. All set. Now we would like to request our official tabulator from Informatics to please give me the results of tonight's pageant, Little Miss Panagbanga 2026. And of course, we would love to say thank you to all of our following sponsors for making Little Miss Panagbanga very much possible. And to the beautiful panel of judges, maraming salamat for your time this evening.